how to see your likes on Pinterest. So hello there guys. First things first, we just need to simply open our Pinterest application here in our mobile device. Once you have opened your Pinterest application, say for example, I'm going to show you a specific picture that we would like to like on our Pinterest app. So here we just need to click on the like button. Okay, say for instance we have liked this photo, and after which we're simply going to go back, and here in our profile we're going to click on the ellipses button above and hit on the settings. So when we hit on settings, go to your tune your home feed section, and then here in the activity section you can actually see all the posts that you've liked in your Pinterest. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.